100 ways to make money online. 1. Test and review products. 2. Create a killer application. 3. Become a white hat hacker. 4. Complete paid online surveys. 5. Buy and sell cryptocurrency. 6. Become a YouTuber. 7. Buy and sell limited edition streetwear. 8. Create and sell stock photos. 9. Buy and sell domains. 10. Start an e-commerce store. 11. Start trading online. 12. Start dropshipping. 13. Get paid to test websites and apps. 14. Enter competitions. 15. Make money by mining cryptocurrency. 16. Get paid to search the web. 17. No risk matched betting. 18. Test apps for cash. 19. Start or monetize a blog. 20. Work as a freelancer online. 21. Become a virtual assistant. 22. Fiverr gigs. 23. Write and publish an ebook. 24. Clickwork. 25. Sell your notes. 26. Start your own website. 27. Become an affiliate marketer. 28. Start a clothing brand. 29. Set up a daily deals site. 30. Manage social media presence. 31. Edit videos. 32. Buy and sell websites. 33. Conduct market research for businesses. 34. Rent out your spare room on Airbnb. 35. Get paid to watch videos online. 36. Become a remote worker. 37. Sell logo and design work. 38. Buy and rent equipment. 39. Become a web developer. 40. Sell crafts on Etsy. 41. Proofread content. 42. Become an online dating guru. 43. Create an online training course. 44. Digital personal trainer. 45. Become an online tutor. 46. Become an online travel advisor. 47. Create a podcast. 48. Build a Chrome extension. 49. Get paid to write business plans. 50. Become a mailing list broker. 51. Offer database consultancy services. 52. Integrate systems. 53. Marketing consultant. 54. Give webinars. 55. Sell your recipes. 56. Instagram influencer. 57. Offer consultancy services. 58. Create presentations. 59. Start a digital marketing agency. 60. Analyze data for money. 61. Transcribe audio and interviews. 62. Set up a Shopify store. 63. Find and sell leads to businesses. 64. Become a writer. 65. Sell in-game currency or items. 66. Rent out your property for filming. 67. Buy and sell second-hand books. 68. Sell your videos. 69. Review software. 70. Review music. 71. Get paid to play games. 72. Remote security guard. 73. Design newsletters. 74. Investing. 75. Make money as a university admissions writer. 76. Counsel clients online. 77. Landing page specialist. 78. Earn cash through private labeling and selling products on Amazon. 79. Build custom software for freelance clients. 80. Sell your designs on Teespring. 81. Start a medical transcription service. 82. Become a freelance telemarketer. 83. Print 3D products for money. 84. Offer anger management counsel. 85. Start a legal writing service. 86. Creating and sending press releases. 87. Write CVs and cover letters. 88. Translate for money. 89. Offer SEO services. 90. Project manage remotely. 91. Manage PPC campaigns. 92. Provide virtual tech support. 93. Web theme and plugin developer. 94. Sell your illustrations. 95. Sell stories to newspapers and magazines. 96. Set up an online SaaS business. 97. Launch a startup. 98. Narrate audiobooks and voiceovers. 99. Produce and sell your music on the web. 100. Become an online coach. Thanks for watching.